Guys, let's talk about Starknet here, or STRK on the ticker. Now, guys, this is another coin that it wasn't actually in the launch pool. It just launched back in February, basically, and there was a lot of hype behind this coin. Now, I almost bought, some of this coin back then because I said, hey, this is really, everybody's hyped up about this. And I'm glad I didn't, guys, because really, new coins, you have to be very careful, especially on their launch. You can get really, really, really burned. Now, I bought back, I think about 2 or 3 weeks ago, guys. I bought basically down at the bottom. I think I bought somewhere maybe at this level, guys. So, yeah, I can say that this will probably end up being a great buy. But yeah, I bought with Athena, I bought this, and I bought one other coin, guys. I can't think of it off the top of my head right now. But two of these were launch pool coins. And yeah, I mean, I'm just really happy to say I'm glad I waited for this. So right now, the next resistance though is almost at 51 cents. We almost got up to that today. So we'll see if we can get up there again. After that, 63.2 cents is a weekly resistance. And then you have about 74.5 cents on the daily time frame as a resistance. So I don't want to get too far ahead, guys, but that's the next real resistances. Then you have a really big gap here, which if you can cross 75 cents basically, you're going to $1.15 easily. So let's see what we can do here. I do believe this will be one of the better coins. Now you can see a lot of people were hyped up for this, and they were buying it way back here. Jesus, if this is really true, this went up to $7.71 on the first day. Now, I don't think I remember it that high. That might just be a little like scam wick, we can call it. But yeah, I mean, easily, this coin can go up probably to, $3-4, I would say, especially from down here at the 35, cent mark. I think that's where I bought it, guys, around 35 cents or so. And anyways, let's get on with our technical analysis here. Short Bitcoin technical analysis. Now, we are trying to break this resistance here at 64.8. Keep in mind, the double bottom will come into play if we can keep this, height on the candle here. And the double bottom actually has a target of about $74,500. Now, remember, we do have to stay above this neckline here at 64.3, I think it is. Yeah, 64.2. So right now we're $700 above that, and that's a good sign, guys. Now we are putting in another bullish engulfing candle here from yesterday. Because yesterday was a bearish engulfing candle from the previous day. So this is really nice to see. And yeah, I mean, we have hit this line, almost 3 days in a row, or we almost hit it on this day. We didn't quite hit it, but I think it's close enough, guys. Basically, 3 hits here on this line, and this is the 4th hit on it. So we're probably going to break it. You remember, this one took 5 hits. So actually 6, really, because we hit it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fell through, and 6 today we went through it. So yeah, I mean, this one taking 4 hits to get through, it's nice to see. Now, the biggest resistance is going to be right here at 65.3. And this is a long-term trend line that has basically held us down for months, guys, since March. We made the all-time high in March. We hit it in April. We hit this in May. We hit it in June. We hit it in July. Didn't hit it in August, but we're trying to do that today. So we'll see if we can do that. And the Bitcoin dominance, guys, if we look at this chart, I'm surprised it's so high today. My altcoins, my bag is, it's going up. So, but maybe Bitcoin is going up more than my altcoins. But my bag of altcoins is doing quite well, I can say. I can't say I'm unhappy. Now, that's something that's nothing, actually. Now, if we take a look at the economic calendar, today we did have a lot of economic numbers. We still have some speakers today that are supposed to speak, so we'll see if we have any volatility later. But mainly, if we're going to have any volatility, it took place earlier in the day. Most of these numbers were good. Only continuing jobless claims was a little bit higher than expected. But, 6,000 jobs, I don't think that's a big deal, really, in my opinion. Now, the interest rate cut, basically, it's 50-50, guys. And let me refresh this for you. But, yeah, it's 50-50. Basically, I mean, we're still so far away from November. Let's see if this can refresh. So give it a second, guys. Sorry about this. And yeah, here we go. So it actually went up just slightly here to 52% since my last video on Athena. But basically 50-50, guys. Still, we're too far away from November to really speculate now. Now, fear and greed is at 50. Yesterday, 59. So we have come down. That's because we got that, big bullish, or not bullish, bearish engulfing candle. But today we're getting a huge bullish engulfing candle. So you can probably expect the fear and greed to tick up tomorrow, maybe even up to as high as about 58, 59, I would say. Now, altcoin season. It says it's 35. Yesterday was 31. I do believe we're going to enter altcoin season very shortly. So get ready, guys. You're going to start seeing 15, 20, 30% gains. And we're starting to see that really already. Now, crypto bubbles, if we take a look here, mostly everything is in green, guys. There's only a few things red. So yeah, I picked up some FET today actually myself because it was red, and it's one of the coins I want to round out my bags. So yeah, I picked that up today after I sold my hamster. Not a physical hamster, but the hamster I got free from Binance in the launch pool, guys. Now, if you want to stake STRK Athena, because I just made a video on that, but let's take a look here. I'm going to click earn. I'm going to show you how to do this. But STRK, let's see if we have anything for staking. Bitrue gives you 3%, so I actually didn't know that. I have mine in Binance, I think. I'm not sure. I think I am getting some percent here in Binance, so it might be in the flexible staking. Yeah, actually I'm getting 0.78, and it's not showing you here in this Coinando the Binance staking for this for some reason. I'm not sure why, guys, but I'm staking it just flexibly. And anyways, there is a little bit better staking in Bitrue and xt.com. So if you have your coins there, you can look forward to these percentages. Anyways, guys, that is pretty much all I got for you on Starknet. And yeah, I mean, it's probably hit its rock bottom, I truly believe, and that's why I picked it up. And yeah, let's see how far this can go. Now, if you like this video, like, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks a lot, guys.